Hello student, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the new recruitment which is NPCIL Limited. They have released the notification about the recruitment, what was the selection process and what was the age limit. All these three things we will discuss in this video, so you need to stay at the end of the video. If you have any query related to this or other thing, do mention in a comment box. We will review and will get in touch with you. So let's begin with the video. Recently NPCIL 2021 recruitment has been completed now, and they have selected through GATE examination, and now for the 22 they have released the notification. So the recruitment of engineering graduate in NPCIL through GATE. So they have mentioned that if you have appear for GATE 2022 and having a valid score, so they will call for directly for interview. And if your marks is above the criteria which they have mentioned while shortlisting the candidate, then you will definitely go for an interview, and you need to perform well in NPCIL, so get the final selection in the organization. So if you are planning to appear or planning to select in NPCIL organization, you need to write a GATE examination, and make sure that most of the organization like NPCIL, CIL, BARC, GAIL, they have already released the notification because they will tie up with the GATE marks. If you have a valid GATE score, then you are eligible to appear the interview of these 4 to 5 organizations. Like CIL has already released the NPCIL, GAIL, BARC and DRDO as well. All these 5 organizations, they have released the notification, and they have mentioned that interested candidate should be possess the valid GATE score in discipline which they have mentioned in an advertisement. Shortlisting of a candidate for the interview will be based on only GATE score, and detailed advertisement of recruitment will be available on npcilcareer.co.in, and the tentative date for application form will begin once the GATE result is declared. So last date of the application was 10th of April 2022. They have mentioned over a website as well. If you appear for this, then candidate may apply the GATE officially website or GATE journal website, and for the more information visit on IIT official website. They mention it, and any further information will be conveyed through NPCIL official website over there. So they have mentioned all these things in a short advertisement. The detailed advertisement will be released at the time of recruitment, which is happening in the month of March or April. So if you want to appear or if you want to selection in NPCIL, definitely you write the GATE and secure a good marks. So if you have any query related to this or other than this, do mention in a comment box. Also give your feedback over there, and if you like our videos, definitely subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.